The Democratic Republic of Congo is also faced with heavy flooding. A United Nations agency says more than 350,000 people in the country are in urgent need of life-saving assistance. The UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs says the flooding is the worst the DRC has seen in 60 years. CGTN's Chris Ochamringa has more from Kinshasa.
Hundreds of thousands of families have still not recovered from severe flooding last October when heavy rains caused the Congo River to burst its banks. People have been forced to flee their homes in the capital Kinshasa and the western city of Mbandaka. Authorities say at least 13 of the country's 26 provinces have been affected by the floods. The UN agencies are supporting the DRC government in providing relief supplies.
According to the Congolese authorities, more than 400,000 households need emergency assistance, including food, shelter, and healthcare support. The humanitarian coordinator in that country, Bruno Le Marquis, visited affected communities in Kinshasa and expressed deep concern over the precarious living conditions in these areas. Some families live in their flooded houses, increasing the risk, of course, of waterborne diseases, which could potentially overwhelm an already strained healthcare system.
Humanitarian agencies say they are in urgent need of financial support to assist the flood victims in the DRC. On Wednesday, the UN Emergency Response Fund allocated $3.6 million for 270,000 people with the most pressing needs. But authorities say the flooding has affected more than 1.8 million people across the DRC. Many people have resorted to using canoes and boats to get to work and their homes. The DRC government has declared a state of emergency and formed a multi-sectoral committee to coordinate the response effort. Chris Ochamringa, CGTN, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo.